Looking to take back some money you put into the company? Well, watch on. As business accountants, my team and I spend all day long helping business owners on their journey. And of course, one question from a lot of limited company owners is around dealing with your director's loan account. So there's other videos on this in terms of opening them and the basics of them all, but in this video, I just want to tell you about physically how you deal with the bookkeeping in terms of repaying yourself some money from that director's loan account and how practically it works. So before we get into it, if you like these type of videos, make sure to click the subscribe button below so you get notified whenever we release a video just like this one. So how do you repay it? Practically, it's pretty easy. You go on your online banking, presuming you've got it these days, and most people have, and you transfer it from your business account to your personal account. So in terms of physically getting it done, that's it. It's no more complicated than that really, but there are some bookkeeping things to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you do it inside of some software, but it could work in nearly, and again, I'm going to show you in one particular type of software, but if you've got cloud apps, they're going to work very, very similar, and how you allocate that, and I'll show you the impact of doing it. It will work similar in a spreadsheet. You're going to record it in the director's loan account column, and hopefully you get a feel for the type of entry you'll need to make, but specifically, I'm going to talk about accounting software. Now, one thing before I show you how to do it, and that's just to say that whilst what we're talking about here is a very simple situation where, let's say you put 5 grand in, you want to take 5 grand back, they're going to go in and out. It's going to be very straightforward. In reality, that isn't often how small business directors' loans work. And in the example, I'm going to show that a bit more. But what I do want to say is there are various tax planning opportunities when it comes to deciding how to take money out of a company. And taking back your director's loan account may not be the best thing. It's probably a topic for another video, but I just want to say that is a potential tax planning point. But let's presume that you've decided, yes, it's the best thing to do. I want to reduce my loan account balance and take the money back. Let's see how you do it. So you can see here we've decided to use Xero for the video, but as I say, it will work very similar in other softwares. Now this is the demo company, so it's not real data, but generally you can see this screen when you log in. Now generally you're going to see your bank account that's connected, so we've presumed that your bank account's connected here. But I want to show you before we start that your director's loan here, we've already got it set up. There's another video on how to do this, and there's a balance in there. We're owed £8,760. So when we click in here, we're going to see how that's made up, just to show you that we've already been there. We've already put that money in back in June for 8,760. So what we're saying right now is we want to go back and pay some money back to us for that. So we're going to go into the bank account here, and what you'll generally see is, if you haven't seen this screen before, is when you click in here, down the left-hand side, you'll see all your transactions come in, and on the right-hand side, you kind of deal with it. So you tell it what it is. If it doesn't already know, the green things here is the system guessing those transactions. So there's our £5,000. You can see I've made it on my online banking app in theory. And what we're going to do here, as you can see, it's in the spent column. We're just going to put my name in, because it was to me in this example, and choose director's loan account. Again, we've already got this set up here. If you don't, at this point, you should have it set up. The other video will show you how to do that if you haven't. And big one, if you're VAT registered, make sure it says no VAT. Now in the description, you could write many things. You could write return of money or something like that, but I actually prefer just writing DLA, director's loan account, and it's just easy and quick. And then when you're happy with that, you're just going to click the OK button, and you've reconciled that transaction. Now that is now inside of your accounts in your director's loan account, and just to prove that fact, if we update this report now, you're going to see that there's the original amount, and now we've got £5,000 paid back out, leaving us a balance of £3,760 to take back later when funds allow, because of course practically you're going to need the cash in the bank to be able to do that. So that is how you make a repayment to your director's loan account and how you bookkeep it. If you've enjoyed these videos, make sure to subscribe, share it with a friend, and we'll see you in the next one.